Glock pistols, renowned for their reliability and simplicity, have become a cornerstone in the firearms industry. Favored by law enforcement, military, and civilian shooters worldwide, these Austrian-engineered handguns are celebrated for their durable polymer frames and safe-action trigger systems. The Glock 19, a versatile compact model, offers a perfect balance between concealability and capacity, making it a top choice for everyday carry. The full-size Glock 17 is prized for its accuracy and high magazine capacity. Known for their ease of maintenance and robust design, Glock pistols provide unwavering performance and have set a benchmark for modern semi-automatic handguns. Now let's get started. Number 8. Glock 19. Reigns supreme in the polymer pistol world. Chambered in the popular 9mm Luger cartridge, it offers a perfect balance between manageable recoil and ample stopping power for self-defense situations. This Austrian-made pistol prioritizes user comfort with its recognizable grip angle and interchangeable back straps, allowing for a personalized fit. The lightweight polymer frame keeps weight down for comfortable carry, while the Glock Safe Action System prioritizes safety with a combination of internal safeties that only disengage when the trigger is pulled. Despite its compact size, the Glock 19 boasts a 15-round magazine capacity, offering enough firepower for various scenarios. This reliable and easy-to-maintain pistol prioritizes both shootability and user comfort, making the Glock 19 a compelling choice for military personnel, law enforcement officers, and civilians seeking a dependable and versatile sidearm for everyday carry, duty use, or home defense. Number 7. Glock 17. Remains a champion of reliability and versatility. Chambered in the popular 9mm Luger cartridge, it offers a perfect balance between manageable recoil and ample stopping power for self-defense situations. This Austrian-made pistol features a lightweight polymer frame that keeps weight down for comfortable carry, while the iconic Glock Safe Action System prioritizes safety with internal safeties that only disengage when the trigger is pulled. The recognizable grip angle and interchangeable back straps allow shooters to personalize the fit for optimal control. Boasting a 17-round magazine capacity, the Glock 17 provides ample firepower for various scenarios. This legendary pistol's simple design, ease of maintenance, and unmatched reliability make it a compelling choice for military personnel, law enforcement officers, and civilians seeking a dependable and versatile sidearm for duty use, home defense, or everyday carry. Number 6. Glock 19X bridges the gap between the popular Glock 17 and Glock 19 models. Chambered in the versatile 9mm Luger cartridge, it offers a balance between manageable recoil and sufficient stopping power for self-defense. This Austrian pistol combines the full-size Glock 17 frame with the compact Glock 19 slide, resulting in a comfortable grip and a slightly shorter overall length for easier concealment. The coyote-colored MPVD slide boasts improved corrosion resistance and a tactical aesthetic. The Glock 19X retains the familiar Glock ergonomics with interchangeable back straps for personalized fit. Safety remains a priority with the Glock Safe Action System, and the pistol comes standard with a 17-round magazine, offering ample capacity for various situations. This reliable Glock pistol prioritizes both shootability and concealability, making the Glock 19X a compelling choice for military, law enforcement, and civilian shooters seeking a versatile and comfortable pistol for duty use, everyday carry, or home defense. Number 5. Glock 45 Mus offers a versatile option for concealed carry. Chambered in the popular 9mm Luger cartridge, it delivers a balance between manageable recoil and ample stopping power for self-defense. This Austrian pistol features a compact Glock 19 slide on a full-size Glock 17 frame, providing a comfortable grip for better control while maintaining a concealable profile. The MOS modular optic system configuration allows for the seamless addition of miniature red dot sights for faster target acquisition, a benefit in critical situations. The Glock 45 MOS retains the familiar Glock ergonomics with interchangeable back straps for a personalized fit. Safety is prioritized with the Glock Safe Action System, and the pistol comes standard with 17-round magazines, offering ample capacity. This reliable Glock pistol prioritizes both concealability and firepower, making the Glock 45 OS a compelling choice for those seeking a versatile and comfortable pistol for everyday carry, home defense, or duty use. Number 4. Glock 42. Reigns supreme as the slimmest pistol in the Glock family. Chambered in the lightweight 380 auto cartridge, it offers a balance between manageable recoil and sufficient stopping power for self-defense situations. This Austrian-made pistol prioritizes concealability with its ultra-compact frame and slim profile, ensuring comfortable all-day carry. Despite its miniature size, the Glock 42 boasts a 6-round magazine with an optional extension for increased capacity. The familiar Glock grip angle and interchangeable sights allow users accustomed to other Glock models to transition seamlessly. This reliable and easy-to-maintain pistol prioritizes concealability without sacrificing user comfort, making the Glock 42 a compelling choice for those seeking a dependable and familiar Glock in a subcompact form factor for everyday carry. Number 3. Glock 20 to 10mm is a powerful semi-automatic pistol chambered for the 10mm auto cartridge, known for its ability to take down large game and provide effective self-defense against dangerous animals. Despite its substantial recoil compared to smaller calibers, the Glock 20's polymer frame absorbs a significant amount of impact, making it manageable for experienced shooters. With a 15-round magazine capacity, interchangeable back straps for personalized grip size, and the Glock Safe Action System for multiple safety features, the Glock 20 is a reliable and customizable option for hunters, target shooters, and those seeking a powerful handgun for protection in the wilderness. Number 2. Glock 43X bridges the gap between concealability and firepower. This subcompact 9mm pistol boasts a slim design with a comfortable grip thanks to its built-in beaver tail. While maintaining the familiar slimline width of the Glock 43, the 43X incorporates a longer grip length, allowing for a full grip and increased control. This, along with the Glock Marksman barrel for improved accuracy, makes the 43X a capable performer despite its compact size. With a 10-round magazine capacity, it offers enough firepower for self-defense scenarios, while its lightweight construction and slim profile make it ideal for comfortable concealed carry. Number 1. Glock 30SF. This subcompact pistol retains the hard-hitting 45 ACP caliber favored for its stopping power, but features a slimmer frame with a reduced grip circumference compared to the standard G30. This design tweak makes the G30SF easier to manage and conceal for everyday carry, while still accommodating double-stack magazines for a 10-round capacity. The reliable Glock Safe Action System and the Tenifer finish slide for enhanced corrosion resistance make it ideal for personal defense. Its popularity among law enforcement and security personnel underscores its dependability, with its manageable recoil making it suitable for concealed carry by experienced civilian shooters as well.